Yeah, well, welcome back to the channel. It's Friday, probably about 1 o'clock, and we're down here right off of Chiang Mai Road, and little area here where they have a bunch of shops and all kinds of things. And right behind us is a abandoned, looks like probably an abandoned schoolhouse that we'll go check out. And talked to a lady. She said they have a market out here every Sunday. But we'll walk up to the end of the road here, and I'll give you a look at both sides, and then we'll walk back here and go check out the school. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this video, and leave me some comments, subscribe, like, and we'll see how this one turns out. Kind of a neat little area. I go up this way all the time going to Gecko, because I take the river road up and then hit Chiang Mai Road to come into the city. It's a pretty neat little area. But there's the building I was telling you about, and we'll get in and walk around there a little bit as well. She told me it was a school, but I don't know if it was or not. Maybe somebody that's been here a while will know. But it looks like the basic design of a school, and then it's got the big field out in front of it. So it very well likely may be a school. Does not look like we're going to get in this way. Guess we'll walk back around to the other side. These are all 4-story shop houses. I'm trying to find a street name here, but I'm not having much luck. I pretty much know my way around up here, but I don't know the names of the streets. I know turn here, turn there, and that kind of thing. These look like pretty old buildings right here. Yeah, they are. Motorcycle repair shop and a drink stand right next to it. Well, we're gonna jump. Swadee Kap! We're gonna go over the little line here. I don't see any real damage I can do. As long as I don't trip or see a snake, I'll be okay. But she says they have a market here on Sundays. I've never seen it, but probably correct because there's a tent right there. What in the world would this have been? Oh, this is probably the foundation of another building. Huh. $1968. Some cool graffiti over there. I don't know. It very well likely could have been a school. Interesting. Yeah, I want to look back there too. Yeah, I guarantee that's what it was. You know, looks like the stairway went upstairs here, but you can't get up there that way. I was watching some videos the other day of the guys climbing the ghost tower in Bangkok. It's just amazing what those fools will do. I couldn't watch it all. I had to turn it off. It just gave me willies. Yeah, it's probably a storage shed of some kind. Cistern right there. All kinds of graffiti in here. Somebody letting some mangoes ripen. Well, I haven't heard any ghosts or anything like that, so yeah, this is what has to be what this is, because the way the rooms are set up, it's got to be an old school. And LW crew. Well, let's walk around out here and see if we can get to that building behind it. Like nosy around there a little bit. Dream graph. Dream graph. Huh. Real pretty with graffiti. Yeah, that definitely was a school, because there's the name of it right there. We'll walk around back here and see what's here. Yeah, there had to have been a building here as well. Almost looks like somebody might be living back here. 68. Huh. I know they're living there. Yeah, look at the old toilets. God almighty. Yep, and there. That's exactly what that was. I don't know what's back in here, or even if I should go back in here, but we'll peek a little bit. Doesn't look like anybody's living here. Yeah, this is an old house. Swaddy cop. We'll talk to this guy. Huh. Wrong ring? Wrong ring? Cop. Yeah, he says it's a school now. This looks like somebody's house. Huh. Need to watch where I walk so I don't end up stepping on something. Huh. Yeah, because there's the property line right there. This would be somebody's house. I don't think anybody's living in here now. We'll peek. Yeah, that looks pretty nasty. That's somebody's house that's moved out. Maybe ghosts back here. Huh. Yeah, you see that would be the back property line to the school, so this wouldn't be part of the school. Man. Let's see what's back here. I would not want to fall in that for nothing. Nice piece of land, that's for sure. Yeah, monster tree. I love finding stuff like this. This isn't really terribly interesting. There's probably no history to it, but other than it's a school that's gone away. But it's kind of neat finding stuff like that out here. Here's an old spirit house. Here's another pit. Huh. I don't know what that's for, but I sure would not want to fall in it. There's some apartments right there. That looks like, I'm not sure if that's a hospital they're building. They're building a hospital around here somewhere. I don't know, that may be apartments right there. Definitely apartments right over there. Well, I'm going to get back on the bike and get out of here. See if I find something else on the way home that I'll show you. It's kind of a shame this land's just kind of going to waste here. You know, you find that so many places here where you'll see an empty lot, and you know, the potential for it's just unreal, but it just lies vacant. And that's true even where I live in Hang Dong. You'll find vacant lots that people own, and they're not going to build on them, and they don't want to sell them. I don't know what the deal is. And a lot of it's people from Bangkok will come up here and buy the land and hang on to it till they get ready to retire, and then they'll, you know, come up and build on it. But some of these places I've seen vacant for years. But anyway, we'll see you later. Hope you enjoyed this one, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.